Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Realme 7 Pro and I want to show you how to see available random access memory on this device. We start off opening our settings application. In it we must activate our develop mode to see our available random access memory. To do that, swipe down and look for our about phone selection, and there we must tap on our version and tap sometimes on our build number. Now we are develop mode. We can go back and choose our additional settings selection. Not software, sorry. Additional settings. And there we have new additional option, develop option, and there memory. And now we can read information about our available random access memory. It's 4.8 gigabytes. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.